stop. If your YouTube videos are getting low views, it's not your content. It's what you're doing while uploading. Most people ignore a few small steps, and that's exactly why their videos get stuck at low views. Fix this, and your next video can actually blow up. First, your title. Don't write boring titles. Combine a keyword with curiosity. Instead of best AI tools, say something like, this AI tool feels illegal. Try it before it's banned. If people don't click, your video is dead. Simple. Next, your thumbnail. This is everything. Keep it clean. One subject, strong emotion, high contrast, and very little text. If your thumbnail is confusing, no one clicks. And if no one clicks, nothing else matters. Now, the description, especially the first two lines. This is what shows in search. Write a clear sentence using your main keyword naturally. Something like, want to get more views on YouTube? Here's exactly what you need to fix. This helps YouTube understand your video fast. Tags. Don't spam random tags. Use your main keyword, similar keywords, and related topics. Keep it relevant so YouTube knows who to show your video to. Always add your video to a playlist. This is underrated. It increases watch time and helps your videos get recommended together. Next, add end screens and cards. Don't let viewers leave after one video. Push them to watch another one. More watch time means more growth. Also, stay consistent. If you keep changing your content, YouTube gets confused. But if you post in the same niche again and again, YouTube starts trusting your channel. And one bonus tip, after uploading, stay active for 30 minutes. Reply to comments, share your video, and engage. This tells YouTube your video is active. Follow these steps every time you upload, and your videos won't stay stuck anymore. They'll start growing.